looking right in the sun here, and the glare is hard to see. Can't see the ground. Good thing for header control with auto steer. Looks like we're full. Oh! Hey, that's the first time this year got cap caught. I've done 300 acres or so, 250. Forgot that this counts here, and I forgot that it wasn't counting up through here, so we probably got another 30 bushels. So I'd made about 450. That's about. I do pretty good with some varieties. Depends on test weight. 450. I have had 485, but it's got to pile up right.
So all fall we've had some kind of sensor for transmission oil temperature. It's not getting super hot, but it keeps going off a lot. So people have commented that this bag of chips has been in here a while. It's been in there all last fall too, Dad.
Oh.